The National College of Ireland and the Technological University of Dublin have both suffered ransomware attacks, affecting their IT systems and preventing normal staff and student activities both on and off campus. The attack on the National College of Ireland has not only affected IT systems, but also backups, causing additional downtime by preventing standard recovery procedures. The school has prevented building access and removed access to their systems while they investigate and restore their systems. The Technological University of Dublin was fortunately able to stop the attack quickly before it spread between campuses, and early stages of the investigation do not seem to indicate that any sensitive data has been exfiltrated. However, the attack did cause an ongoing shutdown of systems on the Tallagh campus and is preventing the IT staff from responding to any IT requests at this time. In addition to the included ransomware protection, the backups included in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud are protected against any sort of tampering. This keeps them safe from ransomware and ensures that you don't end up in the same situation as the National College of Ireland and can restore your systems quickly after an attack or disaster.